Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study about the process by which plants prepare their food. And the process by which plants prepare their food by using simple inorganic substances is known as photosynthesis. So the raw material required by plant to perform the process of photosynthesis are chlorophyll that is present in leaves. The cell organelle that contain chlorophyll is chloroplast, and it is a type of plastid named chromoplast. Carbon dioxide is present in air, so plant take carbon dioxide from the air by using stomata. Third one, water. Water is absorbed by root hairs present in the roots of plants. Fourth, sunlight. Sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll. So the four raw material required by plant are carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight. So chlorophyll is the green color pigment present in the leaves of plants. In this diagram you can see the outer covering is known as upper epidermis. The lower covering is known as the lower epidermis. And in between upper epidermis and lower epidermis, you can see mesophyll. Mesophyll cells contain two layers. First one is palisade layer and the second one is spongy layer. Inside the palisade layer and the spongy layer, chlorophyll is present in the chloroplast. So this is diagram of chloroplast. This cone shaped structure is known as grana. And this yellow color matrix that you see behind the grana is stoma. Light green part that is connecting one grana to the another grana is known as stromal lamellae. So this is a diagram of chloroplast, and chloroplast contain chlorophyll. This is a diagram of stomata. As I told you, stomata are tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. Each stomata guarded by guard cells. Guard cells regulate the opening and closing of stomatal pore. This is another diagram of stomata. This diagram is given in your NCERT book. So these bean shaped cells are known as guard cell. Guard cell contain chloroplast. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll. The outer brown color cells are known as epidermal cells, and in the center you can see this is stomatal pore. Okay. So here is definition of photosynthesis is given. That photosynthesis is the process by which plant prepare food by using carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. The food prepared by plant is called glucose, and the food stored in the form of starch. Oxygen is released in this process. So the biochemical equation of photosynthesis is 6 molecule of carbon dioxide gets combined with 12 molecule of water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll and give rise to the formation of C6H12O6, that is glucose, plus 6 molecule of water and 6 molecule of oxygen. So the process of photosynthesis includes three main steps. First, absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Second, light energy converted into chemical energy and splitting up of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. And the third step is reduction of carbon dioxide by hydrogen to form carbohydrates. that is glucose. Thank you and have a nice day.